Sakasa has already pulled the stops up. And I'm just following him now. Anyone want to report on where the stops are? Or do you have it yourself? Doing it yourself? Manage the trade yourself. And please, everybody, create a plan for today. A little, I mean, you're not writing a novel. It's personal notes. Yep, Sakasa just what the heck, flat 226, I think. Hold on. 224 filled. Cliff notes are good.
Robert, give Cliff back his notes. Funny stuff.
I have to, I'll brag about this, guys. In school, grammar school, high school, college, there were a couple of times I was unprepared. I never once cheated on notes or looked over anybody's shoulders. The only reason I was expelled for being stupid. No, only kidding. Yeah, just test Robert. Robert paid for a professional test taker.
There you guys go. Ryan has just put in the chat where you guys can download the mobile app. How to do that? I would say download the mobile app, guys, so you can listen on the go. Those of you on trial, take the most benefit of your time. Use that link. Download the app so that you can listen in. If you can't be in the room, you can at least watch on your phone and listen in on your phone.
Coaches Brian and Ryan, in the hospital, I never was able to access the online, the real-time version on the YouTube with that app. It was so weird. Maybe because I already am registered and the system.
I think it's got something to do with you being an admin.
Yeah, and it's like, what is this guy doing again with his 2 email addresses? I think that was it.
Maybe.
The only way, and there was a big sign that says, if you want to see this, drive to Clearwater. And I couldn't do that then. It popped up and it said, you want to see his trade? Get in the car and head south. And the doctors wouldn't let me. Oh, it's the doctor calling. Hey, Doc, how you doing? Yeah, hello. The senior medical alert. Oh, wow, that's cool. I don't know. It depends. What's the alert? How did you get my name? You got my Pennsylvania? Yeah, you got me from Pennsylvania list. That's good. Yeah, you got me. only left there 20 years ago. That's probably an old database. But anyway, make believe I live in Pennsylvania. What do you got? Are you Punxsutawney Phil? You know him? Yeah, I've heard of it. I've seen it on TV. Yeah.
Which you need to wear all the time. And in case of any emergency, if you fall, get yourself injured, if there is nobody around you, and you want to call the ambulance, police, fire department, or maybe your neighbors or your family members to come and help you, all you need to do is at the time of an emergency is simply go ahead and just push the button on it, and we will send you the immediate help right away. And the best part about this medical alert system is it's waterproof, so you can wear it while having a shower.
Hidden camera. Tony, unfortunately, trial people don't have access to class.
Wow. So where does the ambulance come from? Like Bangladesh?
Medical alert system. I just need to ask a simple qualifying question.
Oh, okay.
Like,
Go ahead.
do you have any medical conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, arthritis?
I have mental illness. I've been judged criminally insane. As a matter of fact, you got me in the ward right now. They were going to do a lobotomy, but instead, do you think I could get that button and push it? And where will the ambulance come from? Like
I'm not able to hear
New Delhi?
a word from you, sir.
Do they get in by boat? How does the ambulance get here? From what country?
Hello.
Yeah. Hi. Hey. How you doing? He's gone. I have fun. You know, the medical alert button, and I pushed that, and the last time 3 guys came and they tried to cremate me, and I told them I'm not dead yet. I know. I heard Steve Harvey, but I have so much fun. Why would I not? No, it's automated. I just thought once in a while I can have some fun. They sell cremation insurance, and I say, well, does it come in an asbestos envelope? Because like while I'm in the coffin, it's going to all burn up, and what am I going to do with the money? Like if it burns up, I want that check to be deposited in the bank, and then what's going to happen? Like my whole family is going to have fun. If I can't use it, they're all going to get drunk. Wife is going to go out with Todd, the tennis instructor. Daughters are going to buy, Ferraris. Yeah, ding dong, dad is dead. Look at our car. I've always had a problem with that. Yeah, the pool boy. Nah, you should see our pool boy. I don't think.
Pool boy.
He looks like Fudgy the whale. I'll tell you, he was so fat. People came in and said, what do I use as bait? So ugly. I tell you, I had a girlfriend. She was so fat, I took her to the beach, and the Save the Whale Foundation came over and tried to throw her back in the water. Oh, jeez.
What is going on here? That is atrocious.
This is. Oh, man.
Atrocious.
Wilbur's off the rock. Here he goes.
Oh, and I'm sorry, everybody. I had to do that. The fat cabana boy.
I'm laughing so hard I'm actually sweating. Well, yeah, we were ruminating about we're being asked, like, some of the trades when we take it, the market, it could get choppy during that time, and I was that was true.
Yes, we're all crazy.
And I was saying, well, there are some trades where nothing ever goes wrong, and we actually have, a lot of people don't realize this, the Liberty Trading Pavilion in Disney World, and we call it, it's a small trade after all. And you never get stopped out, and little green figures are holding hands with triangular metal hats on. They dance around in a big circle, and you always make money. There they are. There they are. It's a small trade after all. Put in your stop. You get blown out. That's great. That's so funny. We have to assume that our trades are not going to work sometimes, and you better have money management stops put in. A little boat ride.
All right, guys, I'll be right back.
I don't blame you. You got to take a break after this. All right, everybody has the numbers, right? Actually, this is the first over a day where I have not had the pain medication. Last night, it was kind of weird. I had this strange dream that there was this giant, I'm trying to think, it was a green fish or a frog. Oh no, a giant ant. And this giant ant was like on a supermarket shelf. And one of the, one of the workers, wearing that little like the produce smock, came up and said, don't wake him up, I said, yeah, but there's a big giant ant there. And he said, you can't wake him up. Yeah, it might have been something like that. And then all of a sudden the thing got up and it's like tentacles were coming toward me. When I woke up, I was kicking with my left leg, and I, pushed, I guess, my hip too far, and I had this pain going down my left leg to the hip from the kicking. So I did take 2 Tylenol. That's it, though. In like 36 hours, I have not had Percocet. So, it's funny. Yesterday was the doctor visit, and he said, yeah, you can, you could take a drive down to South Florida, and, rest, do some, stop and walk a little bit. Don't do the whole trip. And they seem to know when the pain is going to subside. Trading cats here. No marathons. Well, actually, it's a marathon. It's very slow. And I will bring the walker with me. It's a little embarrassing, but guess what? I don't want to have to push that button and get the Nairobi ambulance crew here. Push the button. We'll be on our way. We're leaving from the Nairobi airport in 20 minutes. But I've fallen and I can't get up. Too bad. Stochastics are right in the middle. Come on, Chrissy. Come on. Get over here. Get over here. Come on. Good. Bill, are you still short? All right, good job.
Looks like I came back just in time to miss all the craziness.
Yeah, we're more sober now. Okay, here's your first target, guys, on this short.
All right.
And just repost the numbers for you. Anyone who wants to look and scroll up.
Or just look up at the alert section up top.
Yep, at the post alerts. Take half off on this short.
Who is in?
Scott is, I believe. Somebody else? Ish,
Ish,
Scott. Guy.
Nice. People listen.
Yep. And everyone, please have a trading plan. Here's the other item.
Nice.
How many minutes should you wait before the open? Before placing a trade? 6 minutes, yes.
You mean after the open?
Did I say before the open? Yeah, after the open.
After 9:30. Wait 6 minutes.
The time machine is not working right now.
Oh, and those of you guys on trial out there, please make sure to schedule your time with the coach. Coach will help answering questions you have. Schedule that call, and one of the coaches will help you make sure that you're listening the right way, taking the right kind of notes, following along the right way. Again, like I said, after you join as a member, we do any level, standard, pro, elite, any level you join as a member, we do give you the videos, basic videos, and core trainings once you join, and our core trade setups. Don't forget, noon, we will be doing a quick orientation today.
Extremely helpful, people, to just get you on the right track. At least get, 15 minutes of the whole concept down. You're not going to learn everything in that time frame, but this way it helps your notes, your understanding of what we try to do. the pitfalls that we try to avoid. There's a whole world of psychological awareness of our own limitations. You know, half the battle is with our own experience and emotions. Take another off here on this short. One minute to open. Take another one off. Protect yourself. Those who are still short, protect yourself. And we are open for business.
Prepare to be amazed. Can I say that?
Prepare to be amazed. Yeah.
Prepare. I'm not saying you're going to be amazed. We're saying prepare.
Good job, Scott.
Ticks open low.
Okay, right now ticks are opening low. That's a little telltale sign that the market's still in the downtrend. We had a nice rally that got us to the pivot area. A number of us were long during that run up. The trend has turned, or at least it never turned up, but we had a great counter trend move upward. And now the trend has reasserted itself.
Ooh, just trailing. Got one left, guys, from that short we took before the open.
Yep, I'm still in that.
Are you
short.
guys still in that? Try your
Yes,
stops. Who's still in it? Good job, Fish. Oh, man. Obviously,
Volatility still under 30, but remember the market just opened. So it's going to increase now as each 2-minute bar trades. Don't growl. You got to stay down. You can't go up there. No land for cats.
no land.
Hear the cat growling? Doesn't want to sit by the chair. Wants to be by the computer. Yeah. I know you see good trades. Yeah. You see them and you can't take them. It's frustrating. There you go.
It's in 15 range, 16 tick rule short.
Yeah.
Still have a few more minutes before 6 minutes is up, guys.
And again, if you don't know if you have permission to trade, you probably don't.
You probably don't. Yeah, if you don't know, you probably don't.
Okay, we're going to take the first, as we're overbought, we're going to get the first sell signal here. There we go. Boom.
Boom. Taking candy from newbie babies.
Yeah, I love it. Be amazed and be short. You want to take half profits at least 20 points for your first target. 20 ticks, first target, okay? 2 more minutes, and everybody else will be able to join us. Good resistance around the 207 area. Good resistance, 207 right now. One more minute, and the rest of the gang will be able to join us. Short.
Rest of the gang. Uncle Al and the kitties. Uncle Al and the kitties. Pal.
Yeah. I'm going to reset the charts. Be right up there in 30 seconds.
And
Minutes are up.
there we go. Get in short.
Next target, first target is 150. Next target, 130. Be amazed. One off. Next target, 130. The short area is around this 207, guys. 207 area. Distance. And then the 130 area support. So we got easily a 70-point range target for our trades right now. You guys should easily, after you get your 20 points, next target is going to be 50 points, and then you trail your stop. Got it? Everyone got it?
Got it. Get it, got it good. A few more people showed up on trial. Guys, while you're on trial with us, please make sure to observe, take notes, ask questions, participate. Once you become a member, you get access to the videos that train you on their basic trade setups, core methodology. We will be doing an orientation at noon today to cover that. Nice little sideways chop here.
It's a good trading range, guys. It's actually a decent trading range that you can exploit with the ticks. Yes, we are, Diedrich. Again,
Mostly-
shorting in this upper area here and covering down toward this lower area, 140, 150 to 130 area. Some of our bigger traders are still short.
Not in size, account size.
Yep.
We're not calling them fat. We're just saying. We're only looking at short right now. Dude.
Yeah, only short. We're only shorting.
Short now.
Yeah.
There's a little tiny M form there, guys. Hopefully you guys took some of that. Did you guys get that little M short? Sorry about that. So I'm going to talk you through that.
That's all right. We are short. Take one off here around the 150 level, guys. And then 130.
Flat. Good little scalp.
Right back up to where we got in before.
One of these is going to work for a bigger one.
Yep. But even, guys, if you can get 20, 30 points on this, it's fantastic, you know?
Yeah.
Got 195. And 175 is plus 20. Didn't get 207. We got 195. That's close enough, right? And next target is 150.
Here we
Boom.
go.
Be amazed.
Be amazed. High tick read short. You guys get that?
Yeah, you have to develop your scan, people. I mean, the market is choppy here. So you have to look at high ticks, low ticks. High ticks, low ticks.
High
This
tick
thing's going to trade up here all day.
till it breaks out.
Yeah. Let's say you did again, 195, cover 175 or lower. Go ahead, Coho, get in there. Come on.
Did it. There it is.
There's your target, Coho. Again, 195 to 175.
You can do this. I like this. Grabbing the high tick shorts. Tick, tick, boom in the morning. I like it.
I'll tell you one more, guys, and I'll be done for the morning.
That's it.
You know,
One
I
more.
want to keep going to the well too often, right?
Yeah.
$195 to $175. Next target is where? Where's our next target? Somebody yell it out. $150. This is called trading around a core position. Yeah, I did a couple of times, Diedrich. 195 got filled. I had also a 207, never got filled. Grabbed another one this time at 214. Like taking candy from a baby.
Newbie baby.
This one will be the last one, guys, for the morning. All right. And then we take a break, count our blessings, and be amazed.
Sounds like a plan. And there it is. And this one turns into the runner. How about that?
I'll tell you, that'll amaze me, Coach.
That will amaze me too.
That'll amaze me.
Make this one the runner.
I
I did it. I'm in a little
have
late.
a feeling it will. Who has a feeling it will be a runner?
Fish is done for the day. I love it. There we go.
There you go. Run,
There
run.
we go. Who's in this?
Wee, 50 hit, and now for 30. One more left. Actually,
Come on,
I got two
guys.
left. Two left with one.
Two
I'll still
left,
trail
yeah.
the other one.
Doing the
Oh,
same
you
thing.
dirty dog.
Nailed it.
Who nailed it? Yes, sir.
You guys get that high tick read short again. Good job, guy. Good job,
Yeah.
Hugo.
Oh.
That's exactly where I got in, Hugo. Good job, Viv.
130. Here we go. 130. Come on. Lower your stops.
Good job, Killer B. Sheila, Profitable Chad. Good job, guys. I got one left.
So Casa nailed it.
Put that puppy down there a little bit. Lock in more gains. Those of you that have been around for a while should have gotten that. We did that high tick reach for what,
Yeah.
4 times in a row? 4 times in a row?
Yeah, and actually could have if you'd grabbed that 195, it would have been 5 times in a row.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. 5
Unbelievable.
times in a row.
Yeah. And as the coach said, this one would be the runner.
Couple. It did run a little bit. Got a couple done for the days here. Good job, Tex Bob.
Hey guys, it almost ran. And it didn't seem like a runner, but it dropped 100 points in what? Let's see, it went to 236 and down to 133 in 3 minutes. Is that a runner? Do you want to call that a runner?
That's a sprinter.
Yeah. I mean, think about it. What if it went down 100 points in 11 minutes? We'd all be doing, right, the cucaracha trade. This did it in 3 minutes. To me, that's a runner.
That's
Coach
definitely a runner.
Yeah. It didn't take that long. You know, usually a runner would be like 8 or 9 minutes. It's going down. This did it faster. That's all. Sprinter.
Couple done for the days.
Yep.
Nice job, Hugo. Nice
Any
job.
more
Hugo.
swing type traders, you can wait, just lower your stop from your original entry
Yes.
and you could bid 130. Momentum
Nice
is
job,
down, which
Nice
helps
job.
the trend. Average true range is kind of high, 42. But that doesn't stop you guys, right? You guys. Where's Lope? Lope started this morning looking to short. We got a good rally. And if you had to wait over an hour for real good sell signals. I think Lope's done for the day.
Probably.
Hi, Stet. Nice to have you in and joining us. We always start with amazement, but then we turn that into a profitable trading career as you develop your skills. Coho, of course you have no idea what happened. Did you expect to?
It's all right, Coho. This is something you'll learn. It takes time. Remember, you are, a weekend? Maybe a weekend? It's all right. Guys, tell them. Tell Coho how long it takes. 3 weeks minimum.
I hate to tell you this, Coho. I don't know if you heard the other day. It took me 49 months. And again, that was hit or miss. Take a little course here, buy a $29 book there, put everything together.
Stet, did you sign up for the 99? Sign up for as a member?
Yeah.
Stet?
Here's the good news, Coho. Just about everyone in this
It's gonna
room
check on the back end.
said the same thing that you said in their first month. Ask them now if they feel the same way.
We have a mom for that reason.
Yep.
Be patient, Coho. It will come. Keep practicing. Do it on sim. Write things down. When you hear us talk about high tick read, write it down. Ask the question.
Here, Coho, I'll give you an idea. Let's say you're looking, one of our setups, if the market does not make a new high here and it breaks this little, you see this 163 area, that would be a short. So like later on in your career, you'll start recognizing something like that and say, all right, I'll put a 162 sell stop to get short. You'd say, oh, the buyers who are buying here are hoping that the market would go up in a downtrend. And if it breaks, they've got to be stopped out. So you would call that something like a stop run. It's just an idea, but that's one of the things, you know, your eye will start getting accustomed to looking at this stuff instead of just looking at, you know, up, down, up, down, up, down. What does it mean? But think of it, real traders are there.
Coach.
Yep.
So you guys know if that's something that you guys want to jump into.
See that, Coho?
I'm here forming.
Patience,
Put some
grasshopper.
profits on it. You guys get that M trade. Take some
Little by
profits.
little, it all makes sense.
Good job, Chad. Good job, JR. Stuart, that was the hook on the stochastics we were looking for.
Yep. Good job, Tim.
Get that, Stuart.
Coho, you see how these guys are already making 10, 30 points because they were prepared for it. So think about it, buddy. You just started, and it wouldn't be fair to Tim, JR, or Profitable Chad, or anybody if you could get it in 2 days and it took them 4 months. It would almost be like saying, well, they're pretty stupid. They couldn't get it. You can get it in 2 days. So please give yourself a break.
Yeah, don't be so hard on yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Don't crawl under any tables. Breathe the open air of profits. Let me clean this chart up a little bit. And then you're going to learn trade management, meaning you could go short or long, it won't matter as long as you know how to manage the trade. You have your stop in advance, you have your targets, you have your trailing, and you stay with the trade.
Enter the dragon snout.
Yeah.
Enter the dragon snout.
I have a bit. I just got filled 149. 149 target. What the heck is this? Oh, Chrome. 149 target was hit on the short. This is called the first touch roll. So from 175 to 149, not a bad trade, right? And I said this would be my last trade. And now it's time to relax, not overtrade. Everyone should be green at this point.
Oh, guys, done for the day. All right. Good job,
I
guys.
love it. Guy Richard.
There's your gong, guy.
Hi, Marlon. Yeah. Diedrich, you will. And you know, I was mentioning Coach Diedrich is from Sweden. My first client, whoever did a mentorship, was from Sweden. Isn't that wild? I mean, you would think, you know, somebody from New York, Pennsylvania, where I live. Nope, it was a guy from Sweden who came down. So welcome.
Welcome, welcome. Speaking of, guys, we are opening a couple slots up for in-person mentorship with either myself or Coach of your choice for the remainder of the year. We are cutting back on the number of in-person mentorships next year. So I believe we're going to do 2 more spots the remainder of the year, guys.
Yep.
So if you want the one-on-one in-person mentorship, I think we're going to send a text out to everybody in the group. Just reply yes if you are interested, no if you're not. But the in-person mentorship is basically a step above the boot camp, a big step above, because you get to sit next to either myself or head coach, myself and Ryan here in Clearwater, or head coach in wherever
Good
he
old
lives,
Destin, Florida.
wherever it is he lives.
It's a sleepy little town. Mayberry. Mayberry.
Yeah, in Mayberry. You can visit Coach in Mayberry.
Sheriff Buford Busser lives here.
That's actually where I'm from, Mayberry.
Yeah, Mayberry.
It really is.
Yeah, no, I can imagine. And there's probably a Greenbow, Alabama, with as far as I know.
There is a Greenbow, Alabama.
There you go. I'm from Greenbow, Alabama, and Mama said, "Stupid is as stupid does."
That's pretty good. I
Thank
need
you.
to get me a.
Farce.
I have a halfway done Yoda.
Yoda's good. Yeah, Yoda's good.
I don't think
Try-
Destin ever
We try to
finishes
help
a
any
Lucas
way we
Run.
can, guys.
Another little tiny M here, guys. I don't know
Yep.
if you're going to take it or not. I did.
Die, you dirty dog.
It's going to break this low at some point, guys. I say that. It doesn't have to. I'll keep taking 20 ticks at a time. As long as it wants to keep playing ball. Why not, Coach?
Yeah,
Once we get one that fails, then I'll quit. The M's look to be the pattern of the morning, huh?
yeah, it certainly was. Every rally failed,
Double top.
and then the next support, I guess, is 130, right, Coach? Yeah.
Yep. I'm in. I'm trailing. Still got 2. Still got 2. You guys get in this?
Yeah, I did.
Flag there you could have gotten in on, guys.
I did.
You guys in?
In like Flynn.
Here we go, Kamisha. Kamisha probably press the button as soon as I said M, right? Good job, Scott, Sheila. Kamisha, you
Well-
press that button as soon as I said M, right?
Yep. Just manage it, guys.
Yeah,
Manage it.
Dad.
Manage your trade.
You got a better feel than me, Kamisha. What the heck?
Wow. See, because
Wow.
she was waiting
Wow.
for it. Great job.
That. Good job. Sorry, one left. Forgive me. I don't want to say flat. I keep saying flat, and I still have that one contract. I keep 2 ticks in a profit.
We hit that 130
Dave.
guy.
Nice. If you guys have any contracts left, Coach, this is my thought on this. If you have any contracts left, you've taken profits on what, 7 trades so far, back to back to back, guys.
Yeah.
Leave yourself one contract with plenty of wiggle room just in case this breaks to the downside,
Which
And-
it just is doing.
which looks like it's doing right now. That's my thought on it, Coach. Leave yourself one contract sitting back there in profit, but not much into it, just so you can take advantage of a bigger move if it happens. Let's get a runner.
Yep. Lots of swing traders have been doing this for a long time, guys, who take a bigger time frame than we do. You know, we're there 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Swing trader would say, look, I got a core
Yeah, that's
position. I'm going to trade off of that. Great job.
Viv and Scott are done. Here you go, guys.
Dong.
Good job. I love seeing all these people done for the day in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Before 10 o'clock. That's great. That's a good day's work, guys. Be done trade your trading day before 10. Young
Can't
Fab,
go wrong.
so you can get a gong. There you go, Young Fab. Good job, guys. Great job.
We're proud of you guys.
Could you point out the M? Yeah, it's pretty easy. It's technically 2 first touch rules in a row, back to back with a little M. I took a sell stop right below it. Coach will show you on his charts.
Yeah.
Just
In other words, the market had support, right? It came down to support, right? Goes back up, but it can't take out resistance here. So here's your resistance, right? The market comes up here, cannot take out 207. Remember 207 earlier? We were shorting 207, 195 area in there. Well, the market comes up there, and then guess what? There's a couple of M style trades in here. Number one would be here, right? 160 right there. See how the market comes up, down, up, breaks that. That's one. There's one here earlier. Which one did you take, Coach? I know we took the other one. Did you
the
take
smaller
this
one? Yeah, that one right there. Sell
right
stop.
there?
Yep.
And you see, there it is. All you got to do is wait for it, guys. Now, there's two trades in here. That's what we call confluence. Okay, write that down. You newer traders. What's confluence? First touch rule. You would have been short here. If you didn't want to take that trade, meaning you didn't want to go short at 176, you say, well, I don't know, it might be going up to here, too much, too risky. And then you could have shorted down here. So that means the first touch rule worked and the M worked. Two kinds of traders would have gone in there. Come on, get down. That's the cat.
Full disclosure, I was too jumpy on my first touch rule, got out too quick.
Yeah,
And so I just put the sell stop under the M, under the midpoint.
exactly.
Worked
That's
out
why
pretty
don't
well.
be afraid to get stopped out of a trade. You don't like it, or for some reason, like Coach said, it looks a little too erratic. Get out. You could always get back in a minute later.
Yep.
There's nothing to stop you. Everybody thinks, oh, I'm out of a trade. Oh, that's it. No. What if the conditions now reapply themselves? You say, okay, I'm back into this thing. Come on, Chrissy, get down here. Get over here. Come on.
That is why we have multiple trade setups.
Yeah. If you don't like one, grab the other one. Come on. Hey. Come on. I am done for the morning, guys. It's been a lot of fun. Yeah, and if you look at volatility, we've been hitting that volatility range, right? What did we talk about? 199 is volatility, right?
It's been fun. Wow.
I just tapped it on the tail. I said, come on, move over there. I put some treats over there. It didn't want to go to the treats. It wants to trade. It's sitting right by the computer. Finally, it goes over there. Crazy. So, that's Chrissy, the original trading cat.
The original, the OG.
Yeah, the OG original gangster.
No, the OG, original Gato.
Oh, okay.
That's what I actually meant. Get it? Gato. Never mind.
Got it.
I'm just being silly this morning.
No, the sell signal right here, guys. Unbelievable.
I took it.
Yeah.
Like I said, as long as it keeps happening, I don't see a reason not to, right? Good job, Lady Trades. Lady U Trades.
Take one off, guys. If you have two, take half off. Lower your stop. Could either go flat or add first touch rule again at 155. The next support that you see is going to be about 116, 29, 116, guys. $155 is the first touch rule. 20 points in the trade already. It's been an amazing morning, guys. Wow.
Trail it.
Yeah, just take one off and put your stop now to break even. Stop is 153. Take 20 points. Stop 153. Stop you out. Who cares? Make 2 ticks. 1 plus 20 plus 2. I'll take it all day long.
Yeah.
This is what we will teach you side by side if you decide to come here on a one-on-one. But be prepared to trade frequently.
Lots of training to do in 1 week in a one-on-one setting, guys.
Yeah. I mean, there's a good thing about a group session. You can rest. Other traders, have their situations evaluated. But when you're one-on-one, it's like you're on the trading floor. It doesn't stop. But trust me, you'll know how to read tape. You'll understand the nuance of the market, time frames, 1030 reversals, the whole 9 yards.
Guys, we got a lot of people just showing up on trial. Please, your first 3 days while you're on trial with us, sit back, watch, and take notes, ask questions. If you're a trader, do it on sim or paper trade. Don't try to just jump into our methodology and our thought process. Coach and I are calling a lot of trades for a lot of different people. We've got advanced people, bigger account sizes, swing traders, everybody all the way down to scalp traders. Don't expect that you should take every trade with us. We do expect that you just try to learn, how we're talking about things, what we're doing, and get an idea of whether you like us or not while you're on trial. The best thing you can possibly do, guys, is log into the main site and book a time with a coach. We've got coaches that will talk to you, answer the questions you have from your first day or two in here with us, and help walk you through what your options are if you want to become a member, and really just get you pointed in the right direction. So biggest thing you can do, guys, click on that tab. Again, we're going to do this at noon, at 12 noon, right before class starts. We're going to do a quick orientation, if you will. But the best thing you guys can possibly do is book that time with a coach, get your questions answered in a one-on-one setting, and our coaches will help take you through being a member. At the end of the day, you can join as just a member for standard at $99, and you get access to all our trading basic videos, our methodology, our how we create our bias, if you will, and core trade setup videos. Any member gets that. So talk to a coach, get them pointing you. They'll point you in the right direction. Again, you have the ability to schedule a coaching call. So make sure if you're on trial, to go ahead and click that button, schedule a coaching call, and the coaches will help take care of you. And we got more and more trial people showing up by the moment.
Yeah, I know.
I'll give you guys that disclaimer
We
again.
have to keep disclaiming. We need to tape record it, I think.
Yeah, just hit play. Just hit play so it goes.
This is an alert from the National Trading Center. You message Coach on the private channel. Okay, cool. Okay, I thought that was being broadcast to them.
Nope. No. Here, I'll send you. Tell you exactly what's. Do you see my reply?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. That way, it just makes it easy, clean. I'll send this to you then. That's perfect, Coach. That's perfect. Check this out.
Yeah.
Hopefully, everybody's flat now, right? You guys are flat.
Yeah.
Let's see, Gabby. Good question, Gabby. Let's see, what's the other one? Yeah, Stat. I think you're still a 3-day member. If you click on you should have an upgrade button on your main login to upgrade, and then you'll get access to those videos. Stat. Gabby, we use the simple moving averages, 5-period, 20-period moving average on the 60, 15-minute charts. If the 5-period is above, we're in an uptrend in the near term. If the 5-period is below, we are in a downtrend. If they are mixed, we rely on the daily pivot as our tiebreaker.
Yep. We try to make it real easy. I realize, there are other ways, but guess what, guys? This way, you don't have to take the slant of the moving averages or anything like that. Everybody can sit with the same evaluation. We could have, again, like right now, 154 people in the room, and all 154 people will agree on what the trend is. Imagine if we didn't. And somebody says, yeah, but, the 60-minute is still down, and it's starting to turn up here. 3 elements. And it doesn't matter because we don't trade. In other words, when the 3 elements turn into an uptrend, we don't automatically start going long. That just tells us to filter the rest of the trades. A lot of the selling that you've seen, guys, it has run into final profit taking. So we could wind up getting right now the 60-minute turning up, and that will complete the bottoming process. Let's see, right now, the 60 has turned up. So technically the trend is right up now, just turned up. Just in time for us
Just
to
turned up.
have a coffee break.
There you go.
Yep, we'll do, Coach.
I did do a little short here, guys. 16 tick roll, even though the trend just turned up.
Yeah, there's still a lot of
It's too
selling in
tempting.
this market yet. I am going to take a quick break, guys. Just, literally lie down for about 10 minutes. That's all. Grab a cup of coffee, come right back. Just want to stretch out a bit.
Stat, I see. All right, Coach. I will be here with you guys. So,
Yep.
to guide you through. If anybody's short with me, trail your stop.
Good job, Willie.
228. Hey, you and I did the same thing on that one. Good job.
Give me 10 to 15 minutes. Be right back.
All right.
Keep your green, everybody.
Trail and sell with me, Willie.
ATG.
Anybody else short? Good job, Brad. Good job, guys. Oh, wow. Good job. Trail it, guys. I've got 2 left. I'm going to split those guys up and take profits quickly on one. And then leave one
Good
back.
call, Coach. I like that one, but I got to take a quick break.
Yep,
first.
take a break. We'll have all the fun without you.
Yep.
Squeeze your stops down. I've got one now at 202. 202, one sitting back. One at 202, guys. You guys following me? Whoever's in, 202 is the stop. Yeah, but it was just a really clean hook on stochastics, clean 16 tick roll trade. I just was prepared to take it, JR. Even though, we could be looking at 10. Maybe that little push up was the 1030 reversal. 202s. That's it. Got one left. Probably going to be flat. Good job, Willie. Profitable Chad. You guys take profits on this? You guys still in? Got one left. Flat. All right. Anybody else still in? Anybody still in it? Just me. Rad's out. Making profits gets scary, guys. Oh, everybody's out. Okay, fine. It's just me. Yep. First touch rule is close. Officially uptrend. Probably want to confirm that with like a 16 tick rule. As we were saying, we're looking for. There's probably going to be a few trend changes today, guys. So be aware of that. It was said in the notes. Trend changes likely today. All along. Trend changes likely. Still got that one, guys. Nobody's in this. So if this is confirmed, the first touch rule is confirmed with a 16 tick rule, you guys can go long. I'm just trailing my short. I would make sure to look for a hook on stochastics. Smooth hook on stochastics. Again, the 1030 reversal could have came early, and we could be calling it that little push up there. Who knows? Those of you in on the first touch rule, take some profits. Those of you waiting on the hook, you're not in. Like I said, guys, my thought would be wait on the hook of stochastics. If that was the upside move for the morning, then we're going to continue south. My stop's at 189 now on the short side. 189. Going to get a 100-point runner on this. Did anybody jump back in on this little failed first touch rule short? Could have probably done that too. Nope. Okay, talking to myself. Those of you that waited on the hook, take some profits. Good deal. Commission's long, I think. Right, Commisha? Trail guys. I'm getting in there with you. Good job trucking. Good job. That's what I say, guys. Wait for the hook on stochastics. Stuart, hopefully you took that. Coho, got it. Good job. You guys see that clean hook on stochastics there? Everybody understand what I'm talking about? Good. Fantastic. But only 3 people took the trade. How about that? 170-something people. 3 people took the trade. Denise is in. Willie's in. Fish in. You guys in, or you're just answering my question? Stay long, guys. Stay long. Good job. Raise your stops. You guys want me to give you a power exit point? Right now, 189 is it. 189 is your power exit point. Move it up some now. 196. You guys following my power exit points? You guys want me calling them? Okay. Yes, you say. Okay. All right, good. I like feeling useful. 196. Go a couple more ticks up. 200. That should lock in a good 20 to 30 ticks for most of you guys. 200 will, right? There we go. Leave it there. If you don't get, if it doesn't take you flat there, when it gets higher, move a couple more ticks. ATR is 35, so you may want to leave it like 18 ticks behind price action. We are still in the range though, so I mean, realistically, we probably want to be a little tighter than that, getting to the top of the range. We'll see. 200 should hold. If not, do it again. There you go, flat. Good job, guys. Nice job. Yeah, trucking. Follow my calls. When you guys get into a trade, let me know. I'll call your stop. No problem, Diedrich. Let me know, trucking guys. You guys know this by now. Let us know. If you just tell me S or L in the entry price, we can follow that stop along. Stat, I think if you could submit a support ticket, we'll get somebody to help you out with that. Put your phone number in. Let's give you a call so we can try to get to the bottom of what's going on there. All right, Stat, go to the website, submit a support ticket. Make sure to put your phone number in so somebody can give you a call and get to the bottom of this. Please, Stat. There is a sell signal on the 16 tick rule. Probably don't want to take that, guys, since we were officially in an uptrend. Follow me, Stat. Send your private message, Stat. Yeah. Just submit a support ticket, put your phone number in, somebody give you a call, we'll get to the bottom of it. All right. Send that in a second, guys.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, where you can take our trade calls and participate in chat to have your questions answered by a coach, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to the trade room and our coaches. And after that, it's just $99 a month to be a member of the trade room. And you'll also unlock our training videos on our core methodology. Please visit libertytradingclub.com to sign up. And also please like, subscribe, and share.